This is a video on how to install Star Bill of Lading on a Mac using CodeWeavers. The link for CodeWeavers Crossover program is in the description. After you have Crossover installed on your Mac, you can head over to starresoft.com to purchase a copy of Star Bill of Lading. Once you purchase a copy of Star Bill of Lading, you will receive an email that looks like this, and you can click on the link towards the top to download. After you click on the link, you should be prompted to open the file with Crossover. Click OK, and Crossover should launch to begin the install. Once it is open, go ahead and click Select Installer and make sure the BOL file is selected and click Continue. And now under Select Application, click on the unlisted application and then hit Continue and click on Install. And now allow Crossover to install Bill of Lading. If you receive a prompt to move BOL to the trash, make sure you hit cancel, otherwise it will not be installed. After the install finishes, go ahead and run through the setup for Star Bill of Lading. Once you have finished the install process, you can go ahead and open up Crossover and click on the Star Bill of Lading. Once you get to this stage, take your time and go through the questionnaire. Once the questionnaire is completed, you can then begin using Star Bill of Lading.
Starresoft.com is not affiliated with CodeWeavers.com or incorporated anyway. Starresoft is not profit off of any sales for CodeWeaver or Incorporated. Software is the best analytics version of macOS version 10.15.7.